So,
hello and welcome to SBC, SBCinema. I have some leftover spray foam that I want to use up, and therefore I will make a Halloween decor prop thing out of it. I'm using this latex mask and oh, so let's start. I'm taking the plug out of this little syringe. This syringe just contains normal dish soap that you use to wash your dishes if you don't have a dishwasher. Because I don't have a dishwasher. So I'm just smearing this around. I'm using an old glove, but you can use a paper towel or whatever. And I try to get it in all the little nooks and crannies here, so it will later help that the foam doesn't stick to the latex mask, because I don't want to ruin my mask, they are cheap. So here, there and everywhere, and as soon as I'm finished we're going over to the next step. What I'm doing now is quite simple. I take a bit of tape and I'm closing all the openings that are in the mask. The mask will otherwise just, well, foam will run out of it, and that's not what we want. Yeah, and I want to have a different optic than the original mask, and that's why I've inverted it. Normally you don't do this, otherwise you get a negative of every positive, but that's what I wanted here. Now the best part. Spray foam action. And this is just the cheapest stuff I could get on Amazon. Yeah, I know they buy in stores, but they don't sell this stuff everywhere anymore because it's banned here. Well, I think it's safe to say this can is empty. So now I'm spraying the whole thing again with water. I spray a bit of water in the mask before as well, because water helps it to cure faster. And also it helps to form a skin, and we will need this later. So wait about 3 to 5 minutes. And then it should be good to go. Using up the scraps. So, 5 minutes approximately have passed, and I'll give it another spray of water, and now I'm squeezing it down, just compressing the foam a bit. That makes it sturdier, and it helps it to go in all the details. Yeah, just like this. And after that I'm giving it a bit extra time to fully cure. So Oh. Oh. A shirt. So here's a hoodie, but it got this stupid advertisement on it. Let's see if we have enough spray paint left, and we obviously don't have. Yeah. Just about it. Oh, I guess that's it. Enough. Dull it down a bit. Yeah, and so there we go. Ooh, this is looking creepy enough here. Squeeze this a bit so we can get it out. And then let's start demolding. It should come out rather easily since I've used a lot of soap. There we have the eyes. And there it is. It has collapsed in a few areas. Now I'm going to the assembly. Just take the old shirt here, which is actually a hoodie, and I'm putting a piece of wood from arm to arm and one down from the bottom. And if you like this kind of video, well, why don't you subscribe to my channel, and well, if you like it already, you can also leave a like, and I'm also always happy to read nice comments, so feel free to leave one. And well, that's it for my interruption with this subscription thing here. Well, you can be lucky, at least I don't have Patreon or OnlyFans yet. That's too short. So, and now I'm putting the next piece of wood in, and after that we are going to the painting. That's gonna be exciting. So now let's start paint. Let's squeeze the absolute rest out of my spray can here. Yeah, I'm using this stuff till the end. And I'm also trying to talk over the music here that I didn't turn off. Yeah, but anyways. Yeah, that's it. It's empty. It's empty. Well, it's not empty. Haha, yeah. I did cut it open to just squeeze the absolute rest of it out. I do it on a paper towel that I have also sprayed with a bit of isopropyl alcohol to activate the patina. And now I'm giving this a little dry brush here. Just rubbing it over it, and this brings all the details out that we couldn't see before. And yeah, this guy looks absolutely terrifying now. Not like the peaceful old mummified king it was before. This looks like, well, like some serial killer. Something perfect for a movie. And by the way, talking about movies and inverted masks, did you know that Michael Myers' mask, you know, the guy from Halloween, was actually Captain Kirk's face? Yeah, William Shatner. They took an old stunt mask, that's a mask that stuntmen wear, and just, well, inverted it, turned it inside out, and used this. So, if you buy a Michael Myers mask now, you can just re-invert it, and you got William Shatner. So now, this is the great moment. Let's put him together. And of course he will later be screwed onto the board, so nobody steals him. They steal it anyways. But yeah, this looks great. And of course Sweater gets a bit more stuffed later and so on. Yeah, I think that really looks good. Of course he needs a few pens. And as you see here, you can also fold it and just carry it home with you. That's part of my decor here.